Hey, I want to talk to you a little bit about how to go about finding resources in the NSTA Learning Center and the assignment that you're going to do with creating your library. So this is where you'll click NSTA Library, and this video is actually going to be shared right here. So when I click on that, I can choose this Learning Center assignment here, and that's going to pop up and it's going to look like this. There's two ways of getting to the Learning Center. You can click on within this, there's two versions. So some of what you're going to see is the old version, and some of it may be the new version. And I'll try to do a little bit in both of them. So when you click on the one that I just showed you, it takes you to explore all resources in the Learning Center. I've already signed in. I have a monthly membership, and you can do that as well. So you scroll down through here and you see elementary grade level. You can choose what works for you, but if you notice on this assignment, it tells you some specific things that I want you to make sure you include. So read through all of this and make sure you're looking for those specific things. So I went with elementary, and I'm going to say, I don't know, let's look at some journal articles. Maybe I want to look at that. Well, it shows me science objects, so that'll work too. I'm going to go back. So, journal articles. It will eventually get there. And, oh look, building first-year science writing skills with a writing program. You notice this is free for members. You can make some selections over here on the side of what grade level, what area you want to look at, the content, the subjects. What you're going to look at with some of these, you need some journal articles. You're going to look at do-it-yourself learning. So there's some science objects you're going to explore later on. Live seminars, any of these things that might be beneficial for you as a teacher, you're going to want to explore. So this is the old site, and this is what the new site looks like. Not vastly different. I'm showing it to you because they changed this over summer of 2020, and a lot of what we have is based on what the old site looks like. And I want you to kind of have a better feel for both of them. So if you want early childhood, let's just go with early childhood and see what we've got. Featured resources. You can be a little more selective in what you're looking for. Search for what it is that you want. So environmental science K. So maybe I want to look at kindergarten. I don't know that it's going to show me that, but environmental literacy, books, lots of different topics for what you want to look for. So explore through this, see what works, and make sure you put it together on your PowerPoint. I think that's probably the easiest way if you were going to do it that way. I would open up a PowerPoint slide and do a screenshot of your library. So there's always a button that says My Library. Things that I've added, I have 71 different things in here. You can group it according to different things, or if you want to do the screenshot and share that for Dropbox, you can just show all the resources at once. And it looks pretty much the same way in the old and the new. I say that, I can't find my library. Just slightly different locations. And so this is kind of how it shows up. So what I expect, screenshot of this, that gets posted to the Dropbox. And then you're going to choose 3 of the coolest things that you found. And you're going to share that on the discussion board. Hope this helps.